Today, we're inside a salmon processing facility where raw salmon is transformed into fillets through an industrial operation. This facility processes thousands of fish daily to meet global demand. The process begins with the receiving area, where whole salmon arrive in temperature-controlled containers. Each delivery undergoes quality assessment, with inspectors checking freshness indicators and temperature maintenance during transport. The facility keeps the salmon at temperatures between 32 and 38 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the process. These inspected fish move to the preparation area where they're sorted by size and species. The sorting uses automated weighing and imaging systems to categorize each fish. Different size salmon require specific machine settings during processing. The first mechanical processing stage involves heading and gutting machines. These systems remove the head and internal organs while preserving the fillet portions. The machines process up to 25 fish per minute. Sensors monitor blade positioning to control the cuts. The cleaned fish then advance to the filleting station equipped with cutting machines. These instruments use computer-controlled blades to separate the fillets from the backbone. The filleting machines follow the natural structure of each salmon. The machines adjust for different fish sizes, maintaining consistent cutting patterns. The raw fillets proceed to trimming stations where technicians perform final cuts. These workers remove any remaining pin bones using specialized tweezers. The trimming process creates uniform thickness across all fillets. Technicians identify and remove imperfections during this stage. The trimmed fillets then enter the skinning machines, where blades remove the skin in one continuous motion. The skinning process uses specific tension and blade angle settings. These machines process hundreds of fillets per hour. The skinless fillets advance to portion cutting systems. These machines use water jet or laser-guided cutting technology to create uniform portions. The portioning system can be programmed for multiple cutting patterns, producing various sizes from single fillets. These portioned fillets then enter the packaging zone with modified atmosphere packaging systems. This technology replaces normal air with a gas mixture that inhibits bacterial growth. The packaging lines seal each portion in food-grade materials. Every package undergoes seal testing and receives labeling with traceability information. The facility operates under HACCP protocols and undergoes regular microbiological testing. The combination of processing technology and quality control enables production of salmon fillets distributed worldwide. Now, let's switch gears and look at another amazing factory process: king crab catching and processing. These massive operations take place during the strictly regulated season, typically lasting just a few weeks, when vessels battle harsh conditions to bring this delicacy to global markets. The journey begins aboard specialized crab fishing vessels equipped with robust hydraulic systems and reinforced hulls designed to withstand extreme Arctic conditions. These vessels deploy massive steel crab pots weighing up to 800 pounds each, baited with precise combinations of herring and squid to attract king crabs. The strategic placement of these pots relies on sophisticated sonar mapping and the captain's extensive knowledge of underwater terrain and crab migration patterns. Once deployed, these pots descend to depths of 600 feet, where they remain for 12 to 24 hours. The crew works around the clock in shifts, operating powerful hydraulic block systems to retrieve the submerged pots. This critical operation requires exceptional coordination, as waves can reach heights of 30 feet during Bering Sea storms. The mechanical retrieval system applies calculated tension to raise each heavy pot, without damaging the valuable catch inside. As each pop breaks the surface, the crew employs specialized techniques to transfer the crabs safely on board. The sorting process begins immediately, with crew members measuring each crab against standardized gauges. This crucial step ensures compliance with strict conservation regulations. Only male crabs exceeding the minimum size requirement can be harvested. Females and undersized males are immediately returned to the sea, maintaining sustainable population levels for future seasons. The legal-sized male crabs are transferred to specialized holding tanks integrated into the vessel's design. These tanks circulate constantly refreshed seawater at precisely controlled temperatures between 38 and 42 degrees Fahrenheit. This life support system maintains optimal dissolved oxygen levels and removes metabolic waste products, keeping the crabs alive and healthy throughout the fishing expedition. The sophisticated tank design prevents crabs from damaging each other while minimizing stress during transport. Once the vessel returns to port, the live crabs undergo immediate quality assessment by trained inspectors. Each crab is evaluated for vitality, limb integrity, and overall condition before being transferred to processing facility holding systems. These industrial-scale tanks maintain the same critical water quality parameters, ensuring the crabs remain in prime condition until processing begins. The processing begins with a humane stunning procedure using rapidly lowered temperatures. The crabs are then transferred to specialized cooking chambers, where computer-controlled steam systems heat them to precise internal temperatures. This cooking process requires exact timing and temperature control to achieve the perfect texture and flavor profile that king crab is renowned for worldwide. The cooked crabs advance to cooling stations where they're rapidly chilled to halt the cooking process at exactly the right moment. This critical temperature management preserves the delicate texture of the meat while ensuring food safety. In the extraction area, specialized machinery separates the legs and claws from the body sections. These valuable components then move to butchering stations, where high-pressure water jets break the shell at precise points, facilitating meat removal while preserving the impressive leg segments intact. This specialized equipment maximizes yield while maintaining the signature presentation that consumers expect from premium king crab products. The extracted leg sections proceed to packaging stations equipped with flash freezing technology. This rapid freezing process forms microcrystals that protect the cellular integrity of the meat, preserving its natural texture and flavor. The packaged products are sealed in specialized materials that maintain optimal moisture levels and prevent freezer burn. Each package receives detailed labeling with harvest location, processing dates, and preparation recommendations.